What is up, cousins? It's Jay back at it again with another vloggity. You know what time it is. Happy New Year. If you are new to the channel, first and foremost, I want to welcome you to GhGvlogs, where we love cars, we love music, we love just good vibes all together. I know it's been a minute since the last vlog, but I mean, honestly, with the holiday, I brought my mom from Arizona to California, and I just wanted to maximize the time that I spent with her. This past Christmas was probably one of the best Christmases we've had. I was able to get my loved ones everything that they wanted and some, so that's definitely a blessing, especially during a pandemic. Now here we are in the new year. We have Beanie right there. You know, she's always my co-pilot. I'm actually on the way to LA, where I'm going to go pick up a small piece for a much larger piece that we have for Frank, the Audi S4. For those of you that don't know, this one piece definitely completely changes the way the car looks. It's just one piece that changes the way that it looks, and I cannot wait to get it installed with my guys at Core Motive. So convenient. They actually moved from their location in Montclair, and they're now a lot closer to me, like a 20-minute drive. So that is super clutch. So we're gonna get that installed in tomorrow. But today we're gonna go pick up this small piece from LA. We're starting the day pretty late. I was chilling all day. Right now it's like 5 p.m. But I'm not gonna hold you any longer. If you haven't already, please do your girl a solid and subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. It does help. This is a small channel we're trying to grow, and I just want to share like my journey with cars and just life and all of that shit. I appreciate all of you for supporting me thus far. Here's to another or an even bigger year. Matter of fact, next clip. And cousins, I'm gonna keep it all the way real with y'all, because y'all know that's what we do over here. Since I installed these lights, I still have not got this car detailed. I know y'all gonna whoop my ass. I'm so sorry. I've been so lazy. I don't feel like it, but tomorrow after I finish, you know, the business that I have to handle, I think I'm gonna go to this self-service car wash place and just do it myself. But yeah. New Year, same me. Cousin Kiss, I hope you're happy. Your cousin Jay listened. We're getting shelled today. Better gas for Frankie. Good morning, cousins. It is the next day, and I just want to show you guys what's in the box. I picked up the extra little piece that I had to go to LA to get yesterday, but the box is already open, as you see. I definitely wanted to check it out myself, and I'm just gonna pull it out and let you see what it is, man. As you can see here, it is a gloss black RS4 style honeycomb grille replacement. Now I have the black optics package, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna keep that grille. Actually, it is not for sale. I think this is one piece that absolutely changes the way that the B8.5 Audi S4 looks. To me, it makes it more current. It definitely gives it a more aggressive front end, especially when you lower it and get like carbon fiber front lip and all of that, which I'm planning on getting. This is the piece I drove all the way to LA for, just because I did not want to take it off of my current grill at all. I want to keep that in tip-top shape, just in case I decide to put it back on or whatever I decide to do. Now, one thing which is a Debbie Downer and has been a headache to try to get amended is, as you can see, this side is as it should be. Get this camera to focus. But this side is broken. I don't know if it was broken when it was being packaged or in transit, whatever the case may be. It's just been a bitch to try to get this issue resolved. So I'm just gonna take it to the chin and hope the boys at Core Motive, which I'm positive that they can still install it with this piece broken. It's not something that is completely life-changing. There's still cutouts here and cutout here, cutout right here. There's screws right there. I'm not gonna put the company on blast that I bought this from, just because I'm not that type of person. It is what it is. But aside from that little handicap right there, this thing is nice. Like I absolutely love it, and I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how this looks after we drop it off at Cormotive today. So yeah, see y'all in the next clip. All right, cousins, we are heading to Cormotive. I'm super excited to see their new location. Heard it's like really big, fantasy factory style, so that's super dope. Cool little 2 Series right here. Sick. So cousins, also today, aside from the mod for the grill, we're also gonna check the suspension, get an alignment, just because ever since that incident that happened on Big Bear Mountain with me and the snow and the ice and shit, you know if your car feels a little funny. So even though I'm still able to go full send, it just does not feel right. So we're gonna check that out and make sure that everything is tight and right in the way that it should be, so we're as safe as possible, especially with the power that we're putting in this car. Definitely want to catch everything now before it becomes like an expensive problem. So gonna check that out too. Check buddy's license plate. Damn. Bruja. Woohoo. Let's get it. Damn. Bagged. Hella bagged. $3.92 right there. A whole meal. Sick food. Bags. Dude, I freaking love these wheels, man. Damn. Check out the wheels. Sick. This is sick. Dang. Cousins, let's take a gander at the RS4 style grill. Oh damn, this shit looks so nice. This is sick. We have the Quattro script right here. That looks so damn good, yo. I'm gonna have to get better lighting because it is pretty dark out here, but they did a great freaking job. This is sick, dude. Now we just need a detail, huh, cuz? Wow, look at that. So nice.
Can't stop now, I go all gas, no brakes.